So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this air filter on a Stihl MS310. And here is the air filter. As you can see, it is full of crap. This, I just used it a lot, so that's to be expected. Really, you should keep cleaning it very frequently. But this one is so old, and it hasn't been cleaned in a long time. It sat for a while with sawdust in it. It got wet. Well, you know, sawdust, it tends to stay moist for a while, and just trapped in all this, it just like stays wet, so it gets clogged up real fast. So I notice it bogs down a lot more after I use it, and it fills up because of the old stuff that's in it. And then when I spray it out, it gets it fairly clean, and it works a lot better. But it does not get as clean as it should. This is what the new one looks like compared to it, right there. So you see that, all that junk on it. It's really, really bad. So I bought a replacement for that. That was around 12 bucks too from Amazon. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's get started on this air filter. All that's holding it is a flathead screw right there and a flathead screw right here. They're different for different Stihls, different years. So you just take a flathead screwdriver, undo these two. They don't come right out. So now you take this out. So you just slide it away from it carefully, because you just want to be careful of not to get any gunk and stuff in the where the air goes in. As you can see, this is real junky around here, and that's on the inside where I have not cleaned it before as well. I've cleaned it before, obviously, but it's just full. Like, I can rub everything off and it's still nothing like the new one. So yeah, there's that, and here's the new one. Look how different that is. It's amazing. Alright. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is take a rag and carefully go around this area right here. Just like be real careful not to get a bunch of sawdust in there. So now you just slide this back on. Not back on, but you know, slide the new one on.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
Just to get a nice tight air seal in there. Alright, and that's that. So, let's put the cover back on. This cover you just slide on over top of everything. Push it forward. Lock the latch. And that's all that.